Yeah, hi, welcome back. I think this is part six of our ride. So we had a very early start, as you can see, coming out of Melbourne, and we pulled up here now. We're going to catch the ferry. The ferry goes across from Queenscliff, which is just outside Bendigo, across to Sorrento. So we should miss the busiest part of the city. You'll see very beautiful sunrise coming up. We had dolphins chasing the ship across. Yeah, very nice ride. Yeah, look at that. I think that's where all the poor people live. The poor buggers, they're doing it hard. Must be tough waking up to this every morning. Yeah, Dave showing off again, giving the old Indian all the RPMs she's got. Yeah, so we made it from Sorrento up past Melbourne, just heading bush now, and we come across a circus, but we didn't have time to stop and feed the elephants, so it didn't look to be much there at all, to be honest. So yeah, we're climbing up the hills. It just seemed to be a lot of uphill here, and I was really enjoying this ride. It was nice and windy and very scenic. Yeah, beautiful spot. Yeah, so here we are. We're riding into Warburton, I think it was called, and it's just a little township. Well, it's actually a pretty big township, and it follows this little watercourse along, and touristy. Hey, there's just people everywhere having picnics and kids in the park riding bikes. Beautiful, beautiful little spot. Yeah, so through Warburton, and now we're heading up to Mount Donna Buang, spelt B-U-A-N-G. Anyhow, I'm saying it wrong for sure. But anyway, they went and built this tower up here to look up above the trees, up on top of this hill. They could have just cut some trees down and not built a tower. Beautiful view. as the sun sets in the west, we're arriving at Mansfield for the night. So we've got a motel room here for the night, and we're going to cruise on tomorrow, head for Bright and Mount Buffalo, and that might do it for this episode. We pulled up here to look at these power lines. The GoPro doesn't really do it justice. It's pretty steep. I'd hate to be the guy driving any machinery down this hill trying to put these power lines up. The mighty steeds. So after a lot of uphill windy road and downhill windy road, we've now come to a bit of flat stuff, and I was just amazed at the sky. It was just all these lines, vapour trails, I don't know what you'd call them, mare's tails, who knows. But yeah, lovely. And here we go, entering Mount Buffalo National Park. So we climbed to the top of this hill, and again the GoPro doesn't sort of show it, but holy crap, it was steep and really tight hairpin corners in some places. Another beautiful spot, beautiful views from the top, which you'll see soon. What amazed me here the most was the side of the road. There's no guardrails, and you know, she's hundreds of feet down. Amazing. So we're at the Mount Buffalo Gorge. The Mount Buffalo Chalet is just behind me. And what a view from up the top here. Holy smokes, is it high. I'm no good at heights and my knees were shaking the whole bloody time I was here. But beautiful view. Just had to walk out here and do this. As you can see, I'm fairly hesitant. So we've left the gorge and we're heading around now to what they call the Horn, which is the highest spot on Mount Buffalo. It's 1,723 metres. There you go, a bit of technical stuff for you. And dirt road. Geez, I hate dirt roads. The Harley just hates it. And the worst thing about riding up a dirt road on a Harley is you've got to turn around and ride it back down again. And it was just as rough and slippery on the way out. Anyway, quite different views on the way back down the mountain when we got back onto the bitumen. Yeah, beautiful blue sky again, and we had terrific weather the whole trip actually. Yep, we've made it back down the hill, or the mountain I should say. So we're heading into Bright now, and I think I'll probably wind this up because it's pushing the half-hour mark, and I know you fellas don't like sitting around too long. Your attention spans aren't that great. But anyway, so this is heading into Bright. On the right-hand side there, it's all pine trees, and you can see where they've been harvesting. I'd hate to be driving an excavator or whatever up there and cutting these bloody trees down holy dooly. Well, I hope you enjoyed part 6. The next part 7 will be probably the last episode, so I hope you liked it. Tune in again next time.